Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today's video is creative, dynamic, and very, you can say, vast variety of different stylized patterns of embroidery. How you can design onto your dresses, onto your Eastern, Western, onto your South Indian, onto your ethnic, onto your different type of summer dresses, winter dresses, hand embroidered patterns could be applied to any type of fabric like woolen dresses or any other type of the dress that you want to wear. So the creativity and uniqueness of these beautiful patterns of embroidery is vast in itself. So I would recommend you don't go anywhere. All of these stylized patterns of embroidery are user friendly, beginner friendly, simple and basic embroidery stitches have been used to embroider the whole pattern. So in order to give your dress a very beautiful touch along with hand embroidery to give a summer look, to give a winter vibe, to give a reason, mid-range, mid-season vibe, all of them are packed into this very beautiful, elegant collection, ranging from simple shirts, kurtis, frocks, towards bot necks, towards smaller V-neck, towards U-shaped necklines, towards bohemian style dresses, western style dresses, vintage style dresses, collar embroidery, office going outfits, baby girl dresses, short tops along with tight jeans pairing. Any type of creativity, long, full length dresses, any type of creativity, any type of dressing style pattern. All of these are packed in this very beautiful 50 plus creative design collection of today's video. So, in order to keep you hooked and concentrated and uh, enthusiastic for this video, I would want you to will keep watching till end so that you can get all the amazing, beautiful, and creative patterns of embroidery and dress design ideas. And in the comment section, let us know that what you want me to share in upcoming videos. And if you really like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. If you have already liked, then you can subscribe from many other devices as well. So that we can grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Your love and support matters the most to us. The basic intent and purpose of making videos is to share creativity, design ideas with you. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose is to share ideas and creativity. Now, at the end part of this video, you are seeing very beautiful and creative embroidery motifs. You can make them onto your dresses as a back motif, as a yoke motif onto the frock of your baby girl dresses, or even onto your own dress blouse. The creativity is vast and the concept is unique. So I would recommend you to do try this pattern. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Up till then, take care. Hope to see you soon in my new upcoming videos as well.